Alright, in this video we're going to go ahead and we're going to add pages to our WordPress website. We're going to do that through using a plugin called Nested Pages. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to install that and take a look at what Nested Pages is. I logged into my WordPress website, and currently if we go and we look, we only have one sample page. So what we want to do is we want to create a bunch of pages, and to do it the default way can be a rather timely process. So what we're going to do is go to plugins and add new. And in our add new, we're going to search for nested pages, and here's what we're looking for: nested pages. And we'll go ahead and we'll install it, and it's done installing, so we'll go ahead and we'll activate it. And now that we activated it, we can go out to our pages and all pages, and we can start making pages. And this is a pretty cool plugin because it allows us to do quite a few things. So we're going to stick to our theme, and what we're going to do real quick is a quick edit on our sample page, and we're going to name that Love. We're just going to stick to our theme of what we do for the Inside Out project. And so of course I changed the slug. You learned about a slug in other so we'll go ahead and we'll update that. And now what's really cool is we can come in and we can say add multiple. We know below love is people, and then we know below people is family, friends, others, and then we have things under love, and that is music, movies, books, and websites. So let's go ahead and do that for right now. And we'll hit add, and we really start to get to see how this thing works. So we'll take love and we'll have people. Actually, I think that we need to do a little bit of a refresh here real quick, see what's going on. And we got a wonky plugin going on here at the moment. There we go. So love, then we want people, and under people we want family. And I found that it's easier to just drag up to the top below what you're trying to nest under. So family, friends, and others. So we'll go ahead and we'll move others below family, family, friends. It's going to fight me, and I'm going to leave that in the recording because you need to see the fight and know that when you're fighting it, you're not alone. So we have love, people, family, friends, others. Then we have things. So our things can be our music, movies, books, websites, and we can drag them all over the place. So let's put them in the order I like them in: music, movies, websites, and books. So at this point, we should be able to collapse people and collapse things. And we see that things did not fall underneath love. So let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. So that's things, that's people, good. And I'm going to move people back up over top. Now if I collapse love, they both go under there. So then we can say, let's do love who I, and then was then, am now, will be, and then we can do challenges. I think I got that wrong, yeah. Love who challenges you, so challenges behind me, on me, ahead of. And then we'll just add the U page. This really is just supposed to be more just a demonstration of how to use this. Great, so love who, and we know the who, we need the who I was then, am now, will be. Let's just not even fight it, bring it down, will be, so that takes care of that. Who I was then, am now, will be. And let's take away who. Love who challenges that are behind me, on me, current challenges, and ahead of me. Move that one down. Took that up, and then we have you. So at this point, now we have all of our pages, and we are good to go. We don't have any content in those pages yet, but what we do know is that we have these pages. They're available to us, and we are positioned to create some content for them. All right, see you in our next video.